this is a quick video just to put everything in perspective for the Meshtastic node that I mounted on my drone, using a buck converter as the power limiting source from the drone battery. Drone battery was 7.7 volts, and I needed to reduce the voltage down to 5 volts input voltage on the node. And this video just pretty much covers that and goes over all the setup and prerequisite for that. By the way, this test is being done on a Potensic drone, and we'll see how durable it is and how it will hold up lifting this payload, which is not a lot, but still adding a little bit to the weight. But I think it's going to do the job, and we'll see how this all works out. So I'm going to go ahead and charge my controllers, make sure everything's ready to go when the test starts at 4 o'clock, and we should be good. It should be a good test. I tested the power up. Power up's good. That all worked well. The Meshtastic comes online, and everything looks to be okay as far as the electrical part of it. So I think we're good. And this battery was made in such a way that I was able to get to it from the back end, which was great. So and it's locked in, it won't fall out. So that was one of my concerns also. Just had to take this back cover off here, which looks something like this right here. Back cover come off, and that also lighten the load a little bit, taking that plastic off of there. So that'll compensate for some of the weight that we're working with. Like I said, I'm gonna charge this and make sure it's good and charged. I don't know how much flight time we'll have. Flight time will be limited, of course, because of the extra power draw that we're putting on the battery. But I should be good for at least I'd say a 15-20 minute test at this point. And then I'll have to bring it down. And hopefully it'll go well.